I really can't believe that so many people are still working in this old way, selling their time to their boss every day to get a salary in return. Let's face it, when you get back home in the evening, there's almost no time and no energy left to do the things that you really want to do, and over time people just become unhappy with their lives and they begin to regret they did nothing about it. Thankfully though, there are much better ways to earn money that are available online. I still remember the day I realized this myself. I had a good job and a decent enough salary working as a supply chain manager, but truth be told, I was never really fulfilled. I hated being trapped in the office every day. I hated not having enough time to work on my fitness, and I never really had enough time to spend with the people that I loved. You know those motivational videos that we all like to watch? So one night I was coming back home from work, and I needed to watch one of those to give me some perspective, and instead I ended up watching an ad from an Australian guy that basically told me that he was in a very similar situation and managed to make this online endeavor work for him. He linked me to a free webinar by his mentor Stuart. Stuart explains how every person with the right mindset could start their own online business from scratch. Now, of course, I was a little bit skeptical, but I still decided that at least I'll attend the free webinar and build my own opinion. And honestly, I'm so glad that I did, because the webinar completely changed my life. Today, I'm at a point in my own journey where I want to do the same for others, and I want to be there for you to help you on your journey. If anyone who watches this video wants to learn how to start their own online business from scratch, I'm more than happy to link them to the same webinar by my mentor Stuart. For free, of course, that's how I got it. I will leave a link to my website somewhere around this video, so you can click on it and enter your name and email, and I will send you the webinar directly to your email inbox. If you're someone who's open to learning new things and you're willing to put in some work and effort in order to stop selling your time for money and instead work for yourself online, then I strongly recommend you check out the webinar and just decide for yourself if it's something for you or not. This is what I've done, and honestly, it was the best decision I've ever made.